Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found the cutest pair of dress shoes. These shoes are just fantastic. I got them because I wanted something pretty to wear in the fall, but not necessarily like a big winter boot. But honestly, I can wear these on any season. They're perfectly comfortable, they're beautiful to wear, and they match all kinds of different outfits, whether I am dressing up to go to Bible study or whether I'm just dressing up a pair of jeans to go to date night. These are going to be exactly what you need. I love, love, love how comfortable they are. So I am really picky about the shoes that I put on my feet. I have to be comfortable with them. And I wore these for hours. I didn't have a blister. I didn't have a mark on my foot. And I could have gone several more hours wearing them. I think these are the kind of shoes that you can wear all day. Classy looking. They're durable. They have a wonderful sole bottom. There was a little frost on my porch the day I wore them, and I didn't feel like I was going to slip around or anything. So that's a fantastic feature also. The laces are very strong and durable. I didn't have to bend down and tie my shoes a million times. I don't really think I had to retie them once even. They just stayed tied all day. So you are never going to go wrong with these shoes. They class up every outfit that I have. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, you can wear them with jeans, leggings, or a cute skirt. They're just so versatile and so durable, and they're beautiful. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes to go with pretty much everything that you own, look no further. But that's just my point of view.